Today in Design, Build, and Fix, we're going to show you how to group objects in Sketchup. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, let's jump right into it. All right, so now we're going to show you how to group objects in SketchUp. Now, the ability to group an object in SketchUp is a very important thing to know how to do, because what happens is if objects aren't grouped, they become sticky. And let me show you what I mean. So this object right here is ungrouped, so is this one ungrouped. And let's say I want to move this one over to this one, so I'm just going to pre-select it, grab the move command, and I'm going to move it from here over to there, and let's just unselect everything. Now that those two have been moved and put together, this is what happens. Let's say I want to move this, and I'm going to grab the move command, and if I click on it, see what happens? Everything gets stuck together. I can't do anything with them because they weren't grouped together, and as soon as you take two objects that are ungrouped and put them together, they become stuck together. And so we don't want to do that. We always want to make sure that we create objects into groups, and we'll explain a little bit more about this a little bit later once we get into designing the houses and cabinets and stuff like that. But what we want to do is create these into groups. So what I'm going to do is just left click, and I'm going to right click on it and go make a group. And now if I click off of it and click on it, I can see that that's a group, and I'm going to select this one, right click, make a group. And now when I go ahead and move this one from here to here, and now I can take this and I can actually move that off, and I can keep moving this over, and they don't get stuck together. So once you group them, they become unsticky, so to speak. So that's how you use the group command in SketchUp. All right, well, thanks for watching. This is the last video on showing you how to use SketchUp, and we're going to jump right into applying your knowledge into designing houses and cabinets. All right, so if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.